3D Printing Mission is a 54-card game where players compete to rescue scientists from the great meteor shower that is approaching the International Space Station. Between 2 and 4 players can play the game. The game includes 4 3D printer cards. One side shows the basic 3D printer, and on the other side its advanced version. Each card corresponds to a technology that is identified with a color. The remaining 50 cards include materials on one side and designs on the other. On the side of materials and accessories, 2 materials or accessories are indicated, whose background color depends on their technology and they are associated with a number representing the quantity of material. Effects are also included in the corners. There are basic materials and advanced materials which can be recognized by their striped background and with a star next to the quantity of material. The design side includes, in the upper corner, the number of points obtained when the design has been printed. The materials and accessories required are indicated as well as the compatible printing technology. There are also advanced designs recognizable by their striped background and with a star next to the printing technology. To start playing, the 4 3D printer cards are placed on the table, showing the basic 3D printer side on each one. Then, the deck is shuffled, and 4 cards are given to each player. With the remaining cards on the deck, the warehouse is formed on the table. 2 cards on the design side to the right, 2 cards on the material side to the left, and the remaining deck in the middle with the material side up. Each player will choose one of the designs from their 4 cards. The other 3 cards will form their hand. The one with the lowest score design will start the game. In each turn, every player must make 2 actions from the following 5. 1. Take a card from the warehouse. 2. Complete a design with the necessary materials and accessories. 3. Print a complete design by choosing a compatible 3D printer. Printing will last until the next turn. 4. Playing an effect from the 9 different ones. 5. Discard those cards that are not wanted or cannot be used. The game ends when a player reaches the required score. Quick games can be played at 11 points, normal games at 13 points, and long games at 16 points. May the best one win!